Okay, guys, I want to make a quick video on a penny stock that is due for a big move up, and it's coming close to where we had this nice last big move up. So if I ever trade smaller cap stocks under a dollar, this is the only system I'll do. I don't look to trade with the trend because a lot of the times when you have an uptrend, right, you have this uptrend and it just plummets right back down, right? These things don't really have the fundamentals to hold an uptrend very long. You can see many times when we're above this EMA 20 and above the EMA 50, yes, we can get some little bounces, but 9 times out of 10 is they release some bad news, they dilute it, and it just goes down and down and down. And this is what the charts look for. Most likely all pennies here. You have your reverse splits, stay in compliance. But how would I like to play this on a downtrend as an undervalued type of play here? Well, I was looking at it. Yes, it's really extremely low, 12 cents. I'm surprised. I mean, the last time they did a reverse split was way back in 308. It was only 1 for 23. So, I mean, they're definitely due for one. And I was looking at the news, and this is what's kind of confusing. They have until June 2nd to regain NASDAQ compliance. So they have lots of time till next year. They issued at for servers, they had this thing right here. So, but just looking at the chart and the perspective here, you see the last time when we went below these green bands here, we're kind of getting to that point here. We're not like massively under it like this, but you can see right here, we went below it and we recovered massively right here. This was a literally 100% gain in literally a matter of days here. So the things that I want to look for and when I'm, for these cheap price stocks is one, are we at this green band? The question is yes. The next thing I like to look for is what are we at the relation to these EMAs? Because we know price has to revert to the mean. Penny stocks tend to do their own thing, take a little longer. If they're more diluted, they don't do it as fast. But you can see we haven't hit this EMA 5 in 3 business days, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 daily candles. And you can see all throughout here, with price history, price goes up, goes down. It's hitting it constantly, right? But when we get so overextended, that's how we find the oversold patterns. Not using RSIs, stochastics and all that. We like to use these are Keltner channels. You have them at extreme settings. So if I looked at, but the main thing to do is you can't just base it on that, because if you would have bought GOEV GOEV here, you would have went down another 30%. So what I like to do is I like to look at what's the time distance. You see right in here where we're hitting the EMA 5. Well, we just left it here. So you would not buy it on this candle here since you're touching the EMA 5. Right here, you hit it, you hit this dead cat bounce, and then you see how you have some time distance, and then you come up to that EMA 5. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily candles till we hit the EMA 5. And that tends to be the case for GOEV. 1 second. All right, sorry. Yeah, that tends to be the case. Like 5 daily candles is pretty long, right? I mean, you see this here. You have price come down, it touches it, and I can tell you guys the system, it works. A lot of the times. We got to make sure you look at the news. Are they diluting a lot? It's going to take it longer. But right now we have 3 daily candles, so we can suspect, probably around these 2 next daily candles, we can get a move up to this EMA 5, causing an 83% gain it has. Now, I like to look at percentages and be like, okay, is it likely to hit that EMA 5? Or the market maker's going to make it harder? Me personally, I would give this 1 or 2 more days. I think this is very close. I think this is looking good. The KDJ on this is 9.39. If we look at the last one before this pump, we're looking at 6.99, an 8, 6.99, somewhere in this region here. So I think if we get 1 more daily candle, maybe hugging this lower band, maybe piercing it a bit more, because you can see we pierce it, we go up. We pierce, we go up. And that's kind of what we're seeing here, right? We get this move down. Even on a 15-minute chart, we hit this lower band, we get our entry, and we go up. We hit this 15-minute chart, we hit our entry, we go way below it. It can go way below it. And guess what? We go right up from 12 cents to here. Whoa. That's a 61% gain. Wow, that's insane. I forgot, because lower price stocks. Wow, that's insane. So that was a 12-cent move all the way to 19 cents on the 15-minute. Yeah, that makes sense. This was at 12 cents, went all the way up to here. So, wow, I didn't realize that. That was a 40% right here at the close. That's if you got the exact low. So, yes, I would definitely looking at this intraday time frame, look at that 15-minute chart here. put some in here. If it goes a little lower, you put some more in. As long as you look at the daily chart and you're below this lower green band, you have the time distance in the EMA5, because you know price is going to revert back to the EMA5. It has to, it will. But like I said, if it's diluted, some penny stocks can take longer. News can, delay it if it's bad news. But a lot of the times, I don't see like tremendous bad news down at these areas here. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is the EMA 20 and the 10. The last time we touched the 10 was 11/14. The current date is 12/11. Anything that don't touch the EMA 10 in 1 month is long. So you have two price targets. You have right here to the EMA 5 for 83% and EMA 10 for 142% gain. But these are going to fluctuate as price goes down. So, yes, someone mentioned this in the chat in my Discord. I was like, yeah, that's actually not that bad. I think this is actually a solid play with my trend reversal system. I haven't seen these plays much. That's why I haven't been doing them much. And so, when I see them, yeah, I'm going to definitely be on these and make the highest quality setups on these. So, yeah, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I hope you guys do take your time, do want to learn it. I think it's a really nice system we have. We have trade with the trend and trend reversal. What I showed you was a trend reversal strategy where I love to do this on small caps and big caps, and it's a really nice system. But if you hit the link down below in the YouTube comments below, it will say join the premium Discord for my alerts system. It'll be in the description too. When you join, it'll take this free chat landing page. And what you want to do is head on over to day trade alerts, and you'll get access to my swing trades and day trades at an all-time low cost of $12 a month. Or if you hit Service Shop here, you can read about both memberships. I also have just swing trades for $6 a month, where what I showed you was a swing trade strategy of trading against the trend. I also love mainly trading with the trend on higher quality stocks because they're less unpredictable. But yeah, I'll put smaller money into a position like GOEV, maybe $5,000, and yeah, as you've seen yesterday, it went up 60% from those lows, and I would have definitely taken that out. Because we're at the buy zone. We have the EMA 5 time distance. We have the EMA 10 time distance. I don't really see too much wrong with this one. If I was going to look for a penny stock, it would be this one. So, yeah, if you want to join, $6 a month for swing trading. If you want both services, $12. Do subscribe on your computer because you'll get the best. If you do subscribe on your computer, you'll avoid the iOS fee and you'll get the flat rate for these. And I think you guys are going to learn a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys, and happy trading.